Good morning, students. You all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are completed the homeworks. In the previous class, I have given only one homework, isn't it? You all are completed and you got it answer, I hope, isn't it? Okay. Shall we start the today's class, students? All of you take your note and book. Let's try the example 6.7. Prove that sin square a cos square b plus cos square a sin square b plus cos square a cos square b plus sin square a sin square b is equal to 1. We have to prove. Okay. Easy question. Listen carefully. Let us take the LHS side. Let us take the LHS side. What is the LHS side? Sin square a cos square b plus cos square a sin square b plus cos square a cos square b plus sin square a sin square b. Only LHS, let us take it. Okay, which is equal to, now the sin term and the sin term let us take together. Okay, we get sin square a cos square b plus next this sin square a term to take common. Okay, so sin square a sin square b plus then these two terms together, let's write, that is cos square a sin square b plus this term over then this term cos square a cos square b. Okay, now first from this first two term, common term take it outside. What is the common? Sin square a is the common. Take it out. Sin square a into here cos square b plus here sin square a we have taken out, remaining sin square b plus among this both the term take the common out. Which is the common? Cos square a is the common. Take it out. Cos square a into remaining here sin square b plus cos square a we have taken out, so remaining cos square b is there, which is equal to sin square a into, it is the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, we have the formula sin square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This condition we are going to use here. Okay, in place of theta we have b. Okay, so cos square b plus sin square b we can use 1 plus here also cos square a into sin square b plus cos square b 1 can be used, which is equal to sin square a into 1 is sin square a plus cos square a into 1 is cos square a, which is equal to sin square a plus cos square a is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So which is equal to RHS. What is the RHS? 1. Okay, so hence proved. Hence proved. Understood, students? So example 6.8. What is the 6.8 now? If cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, comma, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay, given cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, using this concept we have to bring cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. So let us take the given condition. Given condition is cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. It is squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get, let us square it, cos theta plus sin theta the whole square is equal to root 2 into cos theta the whole square. Okay, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us use this concept. We get cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab, that is 2 into a is cos theta, b is sin theta. Cos theta sin theta is equal to, right side we have root 2 into cos theta the whole square. So root 2 square into cos square theta. Root 2 square is root 2 into root 2 is 1 2. Okay, 2 into cos theta the whole square is cos square theta. Okay, now this cos square theta and sin square theta, this both the term let us take right side. Okay, so 2 cos theta sin theta equal to, this both the term we are going to take right side. Here already 2 cos square theta is there, 2 cos square theta, so this both the term right side taking, so it become minus terms. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to, this both the term can be subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1. No? In the same way we can subtract 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos square theta is 1 cos square theta minus this term. Okay, sin square theta. That is here, that is 2 cos theta sin theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Again for this a square minus b square form, for that we are going to use formula. Let us change the sides. Okay, this both the term take this side, this term take this side. So cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 2 cos theta sin theta. Both side we are changing now, interchanging, so sign no need to change here. Okay, now it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, so it can be right cos theta plus sin theta, it is a plus b into a minus b is cos theta minus sin theta equal to this value, as it is right, 2 cos theta sin theta. Okay, we need to find out cos theta minus sin theta. We have to prove cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 cos theta, this term 2 cos theta sin theta divided by this term bring here, so cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, that is equal to 2 cos theta sin theta by, given cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Root 2 cos theta. In bracket if you need, you write given cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Here left side we have cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, here cos theta can be cancelled, remaining cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by root 2. To rationalize the denominator, what can we do? Conjugate of the root 2 can be multiply up and down, or else we can do cos theta minus sin theta equal to, this 2 can be write root 2 into root 2. Do you understand? To cancel this denominator term, this 2 can be write root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 we have 2 by sin theta by root 2. Let's cancel this root 2. We get root 2 sin theta. Therefore, cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay, hence proved. Understood, students? Next, let's write the example 6.9. Prove that cosecant theta minus sin theta into secant theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Okay. So what is the LHS? Cosecant theta minus sin theta into secant theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is the LHS. Okay. Let us take the LHS and we have to bring the RHS answer 1. Okay. Here what is the formula for cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta minus the sin theta. Close the bracket. Next term, here what is secant theta? 1 by cos theta minus this term cos theta into what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta plus what is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Do you understand? Which is equal to, here take the LCM. LCM is here sin theta. So the numerator is 1 minus sin into sin square theta. Close the bracket into, here what is the LCM? Cos theta. Numerator is 1 minus cos into cos square theta into, here LCM is cos theta sin theta. No common terms, so cross multiplication. So sin into sin square theta plus cos into cos square theta, which is equal to, what is 1 minus sin square theta? We have cos square theta by sin theta into what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta by cos theta into what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1 divided by, if you need side right and give the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 divided by cos theta sin theta, which is equal to, here sin theta 1 sin theta can be cancelled, cos theta 1 cos theta can be cancelled. Remaining we have cos theta into sin theta into 1 by cos theta into sin theta. This cos theta, sin theta can be cancelled, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS, hence rule. Understood, students? Next, let's write the exercise 6.1, question number 4. First 3 we have completed. Okay. Prove the following identities. 2 questions are there. Let us do. First one is secant power 6 theta equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1. Let us take the LHS. What is the LHS? Secant power 6 theta, which can be write secant square theta the whole cube. Why? You know, we have the secant square theta formula. Answer we have to bring it in the tan ratio. No? So we have to change the ratio so that secant power 6 theta, let's write the secant square theta the whole cube. Secant square theta we have formula. What is secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. It is the formula. Okay, secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of secant square theta, let's give 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube formula? A plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a is equal to 1 comma b is equal to tan square theta. Okay, let's use this condition here. This one side you can write and keep. Okay, formulas. A plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to tan square theta. Let's apply this formula. We get 1 cube, which is equal to 1 cube plus b cube is tan square theta the whole cube. Tan square theta the whole cube plus 3ab, that is 3 into a is 1 into b is tan square theta into a plus b, that is 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to 1 cube is 1 plus tan square theta the whole cube is tan per 2 power 2 tan square theta the whole cube. A power m the whole power n is a power m into n, means power should be here tan square theta the whole cube. So 2 into 3 6, okay, tan power 6 theta plus here 3 into 1 is 3 tan square theta into what is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta, this formula, okay. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So secant square theta, which is equal to 1 plus tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta, remove this bracket, secant square theta. We have to prove tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1. So this one term, we have to take this term, first term we have to bring it into the last. Let's write, which can be write tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Understood, students? So now fourth, second subdivision, that is sin theta plus secant square theta plus cos theta plus cosecant square theta the whole square is equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. Okay, take the LH side. LH is equal to sin theta plus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. Here also a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This formula we are going to use here, which is here a is equal to sin theta, b is equal to secant theta. So we get sin square theta plus b square is secant square theta plus 2ab is 2 into sin theta secant theta. First term over, then next term plus here also a plus b the whole square expansion, say cos square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2ab, that is 2 cos theta cosecant theta, which is equal to now sin square theta and this cos square theta term, let's write together. Why no? We have the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square theta plus this cos square theta term, right? Cos square theta plus then this one secant square theta plus this cosecant square theta term, right? Why no? This 2 sin theta secant theta and 2 cos theta cosecant theta terms, let's write together. Then 2 can be take common out, okay? So that's so the secant square theta plus next cosecant square theta plus the next term among this term, let's write together. Next step can be take the common out plus 2 sin theta secant theta plus this term 2 cos theta cosecant theta, which is equal to here sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus the secant square theta plus this one cosecant square theta plus among this both the term, let's take the common out. 2 is the common, 2 into sin theta secant theta plus this one cos theta cosecant theta close the bracket, which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into here sin theta. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta plus cos theta into cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta now? 1 by sin theta, which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into this one sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Here should not cancel, in between plus is there, okay? So should not cancel, we have to take the LCM here, which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, take the LCM here. What is the LCM? Cos theta sin theta. What is the numerator? Sin. There is no common term in the denominator, so cross multiplication can be used. Sin into sin, sin square theta plus cos into cos square theta, which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1 divided by cos theta sin theta, which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, this can be right, remove the bracket, 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta, which is equal to 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by cos theta? Secant theta. 2 into secant theta into what is 1 by sin theta? Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. What is the form of this? 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 secant theta cosecant theta. What is the form of this? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Is it a square plus b square plus 2ab form? So it can be right 1 plus let's use here a square plus b square plus 2ab form. A square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b the whole square. Here a is equal to secant theta, b is equal to cosecant theta. So it can be right 1 plus, which is equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta the whole square, which is equal to RHS, hence rule. Did you understand this step? Did you understand? Expand it. A square is secant square theta plus b square is cosecant square theta plus 2ab. That is 2 into secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay, understood students? Next question is example 6.11. Okay. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to p, then prove that cos theta equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Okay, let's take the given condition. Given cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to p. Let us take equation number 1. We know the formula. We know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. It is an identity. Okay. And this condition we are going to use here. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. That is cosecant theta plus cot theta. A plus b into a minus b is cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Did you understand students? LHS side is here. A square minus b square form. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here a is cosecant theta, b is cot theta is equal to 1. From here cosecant theta minus cot theta, let us take it. Okay, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 is there, 1 divided by this term, cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay, now cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 divided by, what is cosecant theta plus cot theta given? Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to p. Okay, 1 by p. So it is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. Let's add 1 and 2. Adding 1 and equation 1 and equation 2. What? Let's add the equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? Cosecant theta plus cot theta plus, what is the equation 2? LHS side, cosecant theta minus cot theta. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to, what is the RHS side of equation 1? P plus, what is the RHS side of equation 2? 1 by P. Okay, here cosecant theta, here cosecant theta plus cosecant theta is 2 cosecant theta. Okay, cosecant theta plus cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta. Cot theta minus cot theta can be cancelled, which is equal to P plus 1 by P. Take the LCM. 2 cosecant theta is equal to, LCM is P. So the numerator is P into P, P square plus 1. Let us take equation number 3. Okay, now let us subtract the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 minus 2 implies what we get. What is the equation 1? LHS side, cosecant theta. What is the equation 1? LHS side, cosecant theta plus cot theta. Cosecant theta plus cot theta. Bracket use minus, no? 2 terms are there, so we have to use the bracket. Minus of, here equation 2 LHS side, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to P minus first equation minus second equation 1 by P. Okay, here remove the bracket. We get cosecant theta plus cot theta minus of cosecant theta is minus cosecant theta, minus into minus plus cot theta equal to, here take the LCM, P, numerator P into P, P square minus 1. Here cosecant theta minus cosecant theta can be cancelled, so that remaining we have cot theta plus cot theta is equal to P square minus 1 by P, which is cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta is equal to P square minus 1 by P. Let us take equation number 4. Let us divide the equation 4 and 3. Okay, that is equation 4 is 2 cot theta by equation 3 is 2 cosecant theta. Right hand side equation 4 is P square minus 1 by P divided by equation 3 P square plus 1 by P. Now 2 can be cancelled. Remaining we have cot theta by cosecant theta is equal to P square minus 1 by P. This one reciprocally celebrates, so division will be changed into multiplication. That is P by P square plus 1. Here P can be cancelled. Okay. Here cot theta by cosecant theta equal to, here P can be cancelled. P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. Here cot theta can be write cos theta by sin theta into cosecant theta. Let's write here 1 by cosecant theta equal to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. That is cos theta by sin theta into 1 by this cosecant theta can be write 1 by sin theta is equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. That is cos theta by sin theta into this one reciprocally take it, the sin theta take it as numerator. So it becomes sin theta equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Here sin theta can be cancelled. We get cos theta equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Okay, so which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Thank you, students. These are the today's question. You have to take well practice. Okay, thank you.